This man's job keeps him on the move most of the year. He's Ken Venturi, 1964 U.S. Open golf champion and Sports Illustrated's Sportsman of the Year. Ken's also a former automobile salesman, a man who takes pride in the car he drives. Pride comes easily with this 1965 Plymouth Fury hardtop. It's the biggest, roomiest, plushest Plymouth ever, with optional power all the way to a 426 cubic inch V8. Yet Fury remains solidly in the low price class.
You know, I've owned more expensive cars than this Plymouth Fury, but none I've got more kick out of driving.
Drive a 1965 Plymouth Fury yourself. Now with all the roaring 65s at your Plymouth dealers.